Hi guys, my name is Faith Gibson. I'm a Little Elm Lobo. I graduated back in 2020. Currently, we're at UNT. I'm a double major in journalism with a concentration in public relations, and I'm actually a lifelong Lobo. I was in the district from K through 12. I graduated back in 2020, and I'm so happy to be speaking to all of you today. The College Readiness Program at Little Elm High School has helped me in numerous ways, from touring college campuses to filling out FAFSA applications and scholarship applications. The business track had really helped me. I took like accounting 1, business management, a whole bunch of business classes that really prepared me for life after high school and life even beyond college. I chose Little Elm ISD because of the phenomenal teaching staff. I had an amazing chemistry teacher. I had an amazing group of business teachers. I had like a college readiness counselor. I just had all of these resources available to me and all of these opportunities through Little Elm ISD.